Is DeepSearch AI ripping you off? Let's cut through the noise, because what I found might surprise you. You've seen the ads, AI-powered deep search, promising to revolutionize how you find information. But here's the truth. Most apps using the DeepSearch AI name aren't what they seem. According to dozens of recent user reviews, these apps are raising some serious red flags. First, deceptive subscriptions. People think they're signing up for a free trial, but their credit cards get charged for annual plans, sometimes even before the trial ends. That's not just shady, it's borderline scammy. Trying to cancel? Good luck. Many users say the cancellation button is hidden or doesn't work at all. You have to dig into your App Store or Google Play settings just to stop the charges. That shouldn't be the case for any legit service. And let's talk about the actual deep search results. Spoiler alert, they're usually just basic Google searches or Wikipedia snippets you could find for free. Nothing advanced, nothing special. Worried about privacy? You should be. Security experts have flagged some deep search and similar apps for serious vulnerabilities, like exposing your personal or financial data to hackers. That's a risk nobody needs. Now, if you're serious about AI-powered research, there are credible tools out there. Perplexity Deep Research, OpenAI's Deep Research for ChatGPT+, IBM Deep Search, and DeepSearch.net. These are legit, trusted platforms with real capabilities. If you've already downloaded a DeepSearch AI app and see unexplained charges, go check your subscriptions in the App Store or Google Play right now. Don't wait. Stay smart. Don't let shady apps take your money or your data. Subtitle: Is DeepSearch AI legit? Here's what you need to know.